Okay, let's come over and have a quick look at the European markets. I'm going to start with the DAX. Now, German DAX has come a lot deeper than I would have liked. It's taken out this low here from back in July, which means that if this is the one up in the larger diagonal to much higher, then we've got an A, B, and then this is a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We didn't take out, unfortunately, this wave too high here on the last run up. At the moment, we've come down and tagged through. Well, this morning we've gone below and then strongly reversed from that 786 fib. While we're above 11886, I am still expecting this pattern to play out in the German DAX. I think it's just a deep retrace. But one does have to be absolutely cognizant of the fact if we take that out, it becomes more probable that we take this level out down near 11728. And if that's the case, we may well have seen the top in the DAX. And as the US indices go up to make their new high, we simply get the wave 2 or B back. Really not what I'm expecting, but it is, you know, again, one of the difficulties with having these counts, and they've played out all along, and they're very embedded in my psyche in terms of my familiarity, is detaching from them and not trying to fight the market when you're trading. So, you know, please don't fight the market. Please don't always assume that I'm right. I think I'm right more often than I'm wrong, but, you know, there are times when I'm completely wrong. So at the moment, I am long the DAX again, and I am prepared to keep trying longs right down to that 11886 level, because I think there's a very significant move to the upside still ahead. Below there, I'm not. I would want to reassess. And below this line here, the balance of probabilities say we've seen the top of the 3 in the DAX, and the next move up, it can come very deep, but is likely to be corrective. Okay, then let's come over and look at the UK FTSE next. So the FTSE yesterday came down and, excuse me, gave us the hit that we've been waiting for forever on this 50% retrace. We've had a very lackluster move up off it this morning and yesterday. It needs to do quite a bit more to prove it. If you took the long yesterday, though, you've got about a 10-11 point risk on the thing for potentially a move up to 8,400. So that's quite a nice entry and risk reward. If it takes you out, then, you know, same practice again. Let it come down and hit the next fib and bounce. Use the fib or the low just below it as the support and for your stop, and keep trying. If you want to trade the FTSE to the upside, I personally don't. I do still prefer the DAX to the upside to the FTSE.